I always say I don't have enough time. Well, guess what? Now I have time. I can do all the little projects and things that I've thought about doing and never had time to do. Since we're all stuck in our houses, it's a good time to craft and do projects and cook. So I had an idea last night about a dishwasher magnet. Growing up, we had this magnet and it looked like a flower. One side was dirty, one side was clean. We need that. This is what we have now. It's a Post-it note that says clean, and it gets all wet and dirty, and we throw it out, and then we get a new one. So I'm going to use my Cricut. I'm pretty new to Cricut. My husband gave me this in February for my birthday, so I don't have a lot of supplies. I'm going to use the vinyl I have on hand, which is the Oracle 651, which is a permanent vinyl. And I'm going to cut out my flowers and put the words on them. And I'm going to scrounge around for a magnet. Okay, the first thing I want to do is get my flower image, which I have used before for a little home sign. And I want to make it about the size of a Post-it note, which is about 3.5 inches. And I want to duplicate that to make 2. Now let's just give them some color. This one. These are similar colors to what I'm using. Okay, now I need my words. So I go to text. I'm going to write dirty. I want this to be the chiller font. It kind of has these little spots, so it looks dirty. And we'll need our clean. And that, there it is. I want it to be the hobo font. It's just kind of fun looking. I want these guys to fit on my flowers. I want them to be about 2.25 inches. Okay. And these guys are going to be silver. I kind of would like them to be black. Well, I can't go to the stores now, they're all closed, so we're going to make them silver. It'll kind of look nice on my stainless steel dishwasher. Alright, so I'm going to make it. I just want to separate these a little more, just to make life a little easier. So we'll get that first mat ready, which is the silver. Put that in there. I'm just setting that to vinyl, and we're ready to cut. Here's mat 1. Here's my clean and my dirty. I'm going to peel them right off of there. If you're liking my nail polish color, this is Zoya Air, one of my favorites. I'll put a link so you can find it down below. Okay, here we go with that to a flower. And we have our flower. Time for the next mat. Okay. And there's our other flower. Time to put it together. Since I can't get to the store, I'm going to go through this box of old magnets we don't use anymore. Maybe there's something I can use, like this. Will peel right off. I can reuse it. And what's this guy? He's cute. And he has a note. Needs glue. I can take care of that. And here's another one I can use. They'll stick together and fit right inside my vinyl pieces. I'm going to cut my flowers. Got my words. I think I'm going to put my words on the flowers first before I do anything with them. Just clean. Use a little transfer paper. Get that all ready. Those letters on really nice. Okay, that one's ready for one flower. Let's get the dirty ready. I like that little spot there. I feel like maybe it needs more spots. Let's do that. There, it's a couple more dirty spots. And make sure they're nice and stuck. This light color will be the dirty side. There we go, I got my letters. Need to move my one spot. I think I do. Why it's giving me a little trouble. have my little spot that I thought wasn't going to stick in the right place. So we're just going to move that up here. I'll trim my paper a little bit to make my life easier. It's a little close to the edge. Let's take these guys off. Now the tricky part is going to be connecting them. With the magnets. Wait, let's see where the words are. Let's do it this way. It's going to be the challenging part for sure. Here we go, it's finished. I think what it really needs is a nice round magnet in there, but I don't have that now. I can always make another one after we're done being in lockdown. Clean side came out really good. Let's see how it looks.
Oh, okay. Oh, I get it.
I'm looking at this as my prototype that I can work on and improve on. So we know it needs a better magnet, maybe one that goes all the way through it. Can I help you, miss? Okay, no more paper sticky note. So now I guess I'll be moving on to cleaning a drawer or painting something. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and see my links below. See you next time.